Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to limit how Twitter uses some of your network data on the twitter.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, click on the More button down below in the left side corner, then tap on Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Privacy and tap on the Accessibility button in the middle of the screen, and then tap on Data Usage in the right side. Here you can turn on the Data Saver feature, meaning that Twitter will use less network data. And if you want to, you can also turn on the autoplay button, meaning that you can select whether videos and GIFs should play automatically on this device, on cellular or Wi-Fi, or never. So basically, that's how you can limit the usage of your network data. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.